In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a mobile app in Figma using their newest update, Figma UI3. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, Figma offers a collaborative and user-friendly platform that's perfect for bringing your creative ideas to life. We'll go through this process step by step to get you familiar with the essential tools you'll need. Let's begin by making sure you're on the right platform. Head over to the Figma website, which is renowned for its interface design capabilities. Figma stands out as it allows multiple users to collaborate in real time on the same design project, making it invaluable for team projects. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to log in with your credentials. This part's straightforward, just click on Login at the top right corner of the screen and enter your username and password. If you're new to Figma, take a moment to explore their registration options, which include using your Google account for easy access. After successfully logging in, navigate to your Figma home. This is the central hub where you'll find your previous projects, recent activity, and various design resources. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed to it. It's designed to be intuitive, so you'll quickly get the hang of it. Next, let's dive into the community section of Figma by clicking on Explore Community. This is where Figma's collaborative spirit shines, providing access to a wealth of design resources, templates, and elements shared by other designers. It's an excellent venue for inspiration and finding reusable assets that can give your projects a professional edge without starting from scratch. Now, in the search bar, type in Figma UI3. Figma UI3 is the latest library and design kit that offers an extensive range of elements tailored specifically for creating sophisticated mobile app interfaces. This library is designed to support designers with everything from basic components to more intricate UI elements. Once the search brings up the results, browse through the available templates. These are pre-made designs crafted by Figma's vibrant community to help expedite your app design process. With an extensive variety of styles and elements, it's easy to find something that fits the aesthetic you're aiming for. Selecting the right template is crucial as it forms the backbone of your app's design. As you select and open a template that piques your interest, you'll be able to customize it to fit your app's theme and functionality. Take full advantage of Figma's user-friendly editing tools, allowing you to modify colors, resize elements, and tweak the layout to match your vision. And that's it. With these steps, you're now equipped with the basics of designing a mobile app in Figma. It's a platform that grows with your needs, offering robust tools for any project scale, so dive in and let your creativity flow. Once you get the hang of it, feel free to explore more advanced features and take your designs to the next level. Happy designing!